Hello everyone, welcome to Neurasapiens.
In today's tutorial, we will learn how to build a side-by-side bars graph in Tableau Public Desktop Edition. The dataset that we'll be using today is going to be the Complete Pokemon dataset. And so what I'm going to do first is I'll drag and drop the Complete Pokemon dataset into my Tableau session. Now that the dataset has been loaded, I'm going to go over to Sheet 1. So this is my worksheet. And in the first field I'm going to use is going to be type 1. So I'm going to drag and drop type 1 to columns. And then I'll drag and drop the Japanese column to columns as well. So now I have two dimensions in columns. One is a field type 1 and the other is Japanese name. And to create this visualization, we will also need a measure. So the measure I'm going to use is going to be against dragon. So I'm going to drag and drop against dragon measure 2 rows. And this will then create this bar graph here for me. And I'm just going to clean it up a little bit so that there's not as many categories. So I'm going to drag and drop type 1 to filters. And I'm only going to select dark and dragon. I'm going to hit apply, click on OK. So now we can see here that this is a side-by-side bars graph for the dark and dragon type, and the measure value is a summation of against dragon. And so there you have it. This is how you can create a side-by-side bars graph in Tableau Public Desktop Edition.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.